Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to access Byjus online classes on the Byjus Premium application. You can download the Byjus Premium application on your device from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you open the app, enter your registered phone number here and you will receive an OTP on your registered phone number. Please enter the 4-digit OTP here. This will take you to the home page of the application. On the home page, tap on the menu icon and check if your grade is displayed correctly. Now you can choose a subject of your choice and switch the modes of learning to personalized mode or library mode. Use the search option here to search for topics. Here on the home page, you can see the Byjus classes option. Now you can see two sections on the top, For You section and the Completed section. The For You section is where you can view the upcoming classes or sessions for the next few days. It shows the session date, time and topics to be covered. Here you can see your scheduled mandatory classes and extra sessions. Before you attend your scheduled mandatory class, go through the preparation material here. You can join any session 30 minutes prior to the scheduled time of the session. For extra sessions, you have the option to pre-book your session 4 days in advance. This option will not appear if not booked 4 days prior to the scheduled time. Once you click on the book option, you will find a list of topics that have been covered before. You may go ahead and book any topic that you missed or wish to revisit. Next, we move on to the Completed Classes section. This section shows the past sessions. Here you can find your daily practice tests and practice journeys. These are materials related to past sessions. You will find a good number of questions here for practice and revision. You can also see a Get Help option at the top right corner of the Byjus classes page. Once you click on Get Help, you will be able to chat with our support agent who will help you resolve any queries or concerns that you might have related to Byjus classes home learning program. Thank you for watching the video. We hope it was helpful. Enjoy your learning journey with Byjus the Learning app.